10th Science, Chapter 12, Electricity, Problems on Equivalent Resistance. Dear children, let us recall all the points what we have studied in your earlier video classes. Combinations of resistors. There are two methods of joining the resistors together. First one, series combination. Second one, parallel combination. The following figure shows series combinations of three resistors R1, R2 and R3. The following figure shows parallel combination of resistors R1, R2 and R3. When in a circuit, three resistors R1, R2 and R3 are connected in series, then first point, the sum of the voltage or potential difference consumed by each individual resistance is equal to the source voltage, that is V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. V means source voltage, V1 means voltage across resistor R1, V2 means voltage across resistor R2, V3 means voltage across resistor R3. Second point, the same amount of current flows through all the components. The same amount of current flows through all the components, that is I is equal to I1, that is equal to I2, that is equal to I3. Here I is total current, I1 means the current across the resistor R1, I2 means current across the resistor R2, I3 means current across the resistor R3. When in a circuit, three resistors R1, R2 and R3 are connected in parallel, then first point, the current flowing through each component combines to form the current flow through the source, that is I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. Second point, the potential difference or voltage existing across the various components in the circuit is same, that is V is equal to V1 is equal to V2 is equal to V3. Equivalent resistance. Equivalent resistance Rs of resistors R1, R2 and R3 are connected in series, then total resistance or equivalent resistance Rs is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Rs is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Equivalent resistance Rp of resistors R1, R2 and R3 are connected in parallel, then 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Dear children, let us consider one problem based on series combination. An electric lamp whose resistance is 20 ohm and a conductor of 4 ohm resistance are connected to a 6 volt battery. Calculate the total resistance of the circuit, the current through the circuit and the potential difference across the electric lamp and conductor. Okay, an electric lamp whose resistance is 20 ohm and a conductor of 4 ohm resistance are connected to a 6 volt battery. calculate the total resistance of the circuit. Total resistance of the circuit. Second one, the current through the circuit. The current through the circuit. Third one, the potential difference across the electric lamp and the conductor. The potential difference across the electric lamp and the conductor. Solution. We have to find total resistance of the circuit. Given the resistance of electric lamp R1 is equal to 20 ohm. R1 is equal to 20 ohm. The resistance of the conductor connected in series R2 is equal to 4 ohm. R2 is equal to 4 ohm. Therefore, the total resistance in the circuit Rs is equal to R1 plus R2. Here, an electric lamp and the conductor both are connected in series. Therefore, total resistance or equivalent resistance Rs is equal to R1 plus R2. R1 20 ohm plus R2 4 ohm. 20 plus 4. Rs is equal to 24 ohm. Therefore, the total resistance in the circuit is equal to 24 ohm. The current through the circuit. The total potential difference across the two terminals of the battery V is equal to 6 volt. Here V is equal to 6 volt. Now by Ohm's law, V is equal to Ri. V is equal to Rs into I. Rs means total resistance of the circuit. The current through the circuit is given by I is equal to V by Rs. Shift this Rs to the left hand side, then I is equal to V by Rs. I means the current through the circuit, V potential difference across the two terminals of the battery, Rs means total resistance. Substitute the values, that is equal to 6 volt divided by 24 ohm, that is equal to 0.25 ampere. SI unit of current is ampere. C. The potential difference across the electric lamp and conductor. The potential difference across the electric lamp and conductor. The current through the circuit I is equal to 0.25 ampere. The current through the circuit is equal to 0.25 ampere. Applying Ohm's law to the electric lamp and conductor separately, we get potential difference across the electric lamp. V1 is equal to R1 into I. V is equal to Ri according to the Ohm's law. V1 is equal to R1 into I. V1 means potential difference across the resistor R1. Potential difference across the lamp R1. R1 means resistance of electric lamp. Resistance of electric lamp. I means current through the circuit. I means current through the circuit. V1 is equal to R1 into I. Substitute the values, that is equal to R1 20 ohm. R1 20 ohm into I 0.25 ampere. 20 into 0.25 is equal to 5 volt. The unit of potential difference is volt. There is 5 volt. Potential difference across the electric conductor. Potential difference across the electric conductor. V2 is equal to R2 into I. V2 potential difference across the electric conductor. R2 resistance of the conductor. I current through the circuit. That is equal to R2 4 into 0.25, that is equal to 1 volt. Consider example 12.8 based on parallel combination. In the circuit diagram given in figure 12.10, suppose the resistors R1, R2 and R3 have the values 5 ohm, 10 ohm, 30 ohm respectively, which have been connected to a battery of 12 volt. Calculate A. the current through each resistor, B. the total current in the circuit, and C. the total circuit resistance. In the circuit diagram given in figure 12.10, suppose the resistors R1, R2 and R3 have the values 5 ohm. R1 is equal to 5 ohm, R2 is equal to 10 ohm, R3 is equal to 30 ohm, which have been connected to a battery of 12 volt, Calculate A. the current through each resistor. Current through each resistor means current through R1, current through R2 and current through R3. B. the total current in the circuit. The total current through the circuit. And C. the total circuit resistance. Solution. Given R1 is equal to 5 ohm, R2 is equal to 10 ohm, R3 is equal to 30 ohm. Potential difference across the battery V is equal to 12 volt. This is also the potential difference across each of the individual resistors. This is also the potential difference across each of the individual resistors. Therefore, V is equal to V1, voltage across R1, that is equal to V2, voltage across R2, that is equal to V3, voltage across R3. In parallel circuit, V is equal to V1 is equal to V2 is equal to V3, that is equal to 12 volt. To calculate the current in the resistors, we use Ohm's law. V is equal to R into I. I is equal to V divided by R. The current I1 through R1 is I1 is equal to V divided by R1. I1 means the current through the resistor R1. V, voltage across the battery. I1 is equal to 12 divided by 5. 12 divided by 5, that is equal to 2.4 ampere. The current I2 through R2 is I2 is equal to V by R2. I2 means the current through resistor R2 is equal to V, voltage across the battery, R2 divided by R2, that is equal to 12 by 10, that is equal to 1.2 ampere. The current I3 through R3. I3 is equal to V divided by R3. I3 means current through the resistor R3, that is equal to V, voltage across the battery divided by R3, that is equal to 12 divided by 30, that is equal to 0.4 ampere. B. the total current in the circuit. The total current in the circuit. I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. The total current in the circuit is I1 plus I2 plus I3. I1 plus I2 plus I3. Substitute the values. I1 is equal to 2.4 plus I2 is equal to 1.2 plus I3 is equal to 0.4. That is equal to 4 ampere. The total current in the circuit is equal to 4 ampere. The total circuit resistance Rp is given by 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Here the resistors R1, R2 and R3 are connected in parallel. Therefore, the total resistance or equivalent resistance 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Substitute the values. 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by 5. R1 is 5 plus 1 by 10. R2 is 10 plus 1 by 30. R3 is 30. Take the LCM of 5, 10 and 30. It is 30. Here 6 plus 3 plus 1. 5, 6 are 30. Therefore 1, 6 are 6. 10 3s are 30. Therefore 1 3s are 3. 30 into 1 is equal to 30. Therefore 1 into 1 is equal to 1. 6 plus 3 9. 9 plus 1 10. 10 by 30. 0 0 get cancelled. That is equal to 1 by 3. 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by 3. Therefore Rp is equal to 3. Rp is equal to 3. Home activity. Question number 1. When a 12 volt battery is connected across an unknown resistor, there is a current of 2.5 milliampere in the circuit. Find the value of the resistance of the resistor. 1 milliampere is equal to 10 to the power minus 3 ampere. Question number 2. A battery of 9 volt is connected in series with resistors of 0.2 ohm, 0.3 ohm, 0.4 ohm, 0.5 ohm and 12 ohm respectively. How much current would flow through the 12 ohm resistor? Question number 3. How many 176 ohm resistors in parallel are required to carry 5 ampere on a 220 volt line? Thank you.